friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Hub. Today I am going to talk about level of healthcare systems in India. So let's see. In India, health services are usually organized at three levels: primary, secondary and tertiary. So first one is the primary level of healthcare. In this first level of contact between population and healthcare system. And health services are delivered through the primary health center or PSC and subcenter. In primary level of health care, services should be delivered by the PSC or subcenter. Next one is the secondary health care. In secondary health care, it's the first referral level of health care in India. And services delivered through the community health center or CHC. Next one is the tertiary level of health care. In tertiary health care, it's the second referral level of health care in India. First referral level is of the India is secondary health care, and second referral level is tertiary health care. And in tertiary health care, services provided through the medical colleges and hospitals. Here are some key points about health care systems in India. In subcenter, PHC or CHC. So level of care in subcenter is primary health care, and in PSC primary health care. But in CHC or community health center, it's a secondary level of health care. And according to population norms, in subcenter 3000 population is hilly or tribal area, whereas the subcenter is situated, and in plain area 5000 population. And in PSC or primary health center, 20,000 population in hilly or tribal area and 30,000 in plain area. And in CSC or community health center, in hilly or tribal area 80,000 population, and in plain area 1,20,000 population is present, whereas the CSC is situated. So according to population norms, here is the subcenter, PSC and CHC is situated. Next is the staff. How many staffs are present in subcenter, PSC or CSC? So in subcenter, 3 staff members are present, and in PHC 15, and in CSC 13. And maintenance. So subcenter is maintained by the central government of India, and PHC is maintained by state government, and CSC is also maintained by state government. And average number of village means how many villages where is the subcenter is situated. So subcenter is situated in 4 villages, and PSC is 29 and CSC is 158. Next one is the subcenter. Here is the detail about subcenter. So subcenter is the most peripheral and first contact point between the primary health care system and community. So subcenter, staff of subcenter is 3 members. First one is multi-purpose worker, male, MPWM, multi-purpose female worker, and volunteer worker or ANM. And Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is providing 100% central assistance. That means central government is assisted or maintained of subcenter. And number of subcenter in India is 1,55,708 as on the 31st March 2016 report. Next one is the function of subcenter. So in subcenter, maternal and child health care provided, family planning and contraception, community need assessment it's provided, water quality monitoring, adolescent health care, and promotion of sanitation, curative services for minor ailments. It's a function of subcenter. Next one is the primary health center or PHC. PHC is the first contact point between village community and the medical officer. Medical officer is the leader of the team of PHC, and each PHC acts as a referral center for 6 subcenter. PHC has provision of 4 to 6 beds, and the number of PHC in India now presently 28,863 PSC in India nowadays. Next one is the staffing pattern of PSC. Total 15 members are present in PSC staff. Medical officer 1, pharmacist 1, nurse midwife 1, health worker or ANM 1, block extension educator, health assistant female, health assistant female LHB, male and female 1 staff, and UDC or upper divisional clerk 1 and lower divisional clerk, lab technician 1, driver 1, and fourth class worker is 4. So total 15 members are present in the staffing pattern of PHC. Next one is the function of PHC. The 8 element of primary health care outlined in the Alma Ata Declaration. These are the here. First one is provision of medical care or medical care should be provided in the PHC. Maternal child health care including family planning, safe water supply and basic sanitation, prevention and control of local endemic disease, collection and reporting of vital statistics, education about health and national health program as relevant should be provided in the PHC. Referral services is also provided in the PHC, and training of health guides, health workers, local DICE and health assistants should be provided in the PHC. Basic laboratory workers is also present in the PHC. Next one is the community health center. Community health center is a second referral center. Each community health center act as a referral center for 4 PHC. Means under the community health center 4 PHC is present, and bed strength of CHC is 30 beds. Number of CHC in India is 5,510 as on 31st March 2016 according to report. Next is the staffing pattern for CHC or community health center. There are total 25 staffs are present. 4 medical officer like surgeon, 1 surgeon, obstetrician, physician and pediatrician. Nurse midwife or staff nurse 7, dresser 1, pharmacist 1, lab technician 1, radiographer 1, ward boy 2, dhobi 1 and sweeper 3. And other members are 4 like mali, chaukidar, peon and aya. Next one is the function of CHC. So in CHC there are 30 indoor beds with 1 OT or operation theatre, X-ray room, labor room and laboratory facilities are available in community health center. Care of routine and emergency cases in surgery or medicine, 24-hour delivery services is there. Essential and emergency obstetric care should be provided in the community health center. Family planning services, safe abortion services, newborn care and routine and emergency care of sick children care should be provided in the community health center. Thank you for watching us.